Hey guys, the Orient Traveller Z here. Today we're at the Fullerton Hotel, an iconic hotel housed in a historic landmark, where we'll be checking out the 42 square meter premier courtyard room. This is the lead-in category room at this hotel and features a tasteful modern heritage style decor. The room overlooks the internal courtyard of the building. In front of the bed is a daybed cum sofa that is firm and a good viewing distance away from the large television. The king-sized bed and pillows in contrast are soft. Next to the bed is a bar counter where you will find an espresso machine and minibar items. An assortment of TWG teas and Nespresso pods are provided. Lastly is the mini fridge. Below the TV, you will find a tablet which replaces the paper information guides, a Harmon Kardon Bluetooth speaker, and a work desk with a lamp. There are plenty of concealed power plugs, a nice touch. Moving on to the bathroom. It is large and well lit. It features a single marble vanity, an enclosed standing rain shower, and a large bathtub that offers a comfortable reclined posture. Bath amenities are by Atkinson's. Stepping out of the room, the hallways and lift lobby are decked out in a darker wood tone. There is a bridge across the courtyard on the top floor that leads to a small observation deck overlooking Marina Bay. There are also other event spaces in the hotel suited to receptions or weddings. As an extension of the town restaurant, the courtyard is also where you will be having breakfast. Savor a variety of Asian delights or Western favorites. Burn off the calories at the well-equipped gym. Or take a dip at the pool. The pool is quite sizable and offers a splendid view of the hotel's facade. And the equally historic boat quay. Return at night to admire the view again from a different perspective. I hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough. See you in the next one.